Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. If you have been searching for wireless headphones that sound amazing, last forever on a single charge, and won't break the bank, you might want to stick around because today we are checking out the brand new Sony WHCH520 wireless headphones. Sleek, comfortable, and packed with all the features you would expect from Sony at a really affordable price. Okay, right out of the box, these headphones look beautiful, especially in this blue finish. The design is clean, minimal, and super lightweight. They are made with comfort in mind, soft ear cushions, adjustable headband, and that classic Sony style that feels premium, even though it's built for everyday use. Pairing them is effortless. Just turn them on, connect via a Bluetooth 5.0, and you are good to go. You can easily switch between your phone, tablet, or laptop, perfect for people who multitask or jump between devices. And now let's talk about sound, because this is where Sony always shines. The WH-CH520 delivers crisp vocals, a strong bass, and clear mids whether you are listening to pop, hip hop, a podcast, or watching YouTube. The sound stays balanced and immersive. You can also customize your sound through the Sony Headphones Connect app, adjusting EQ settings and sound modes to match your styles. Now, battery life is incredible. You get up to 50 hours of playback on a single charge. Yes, 50 hours. And if you're even in a rush, a quick 3 minutes charge gives you around 1.5 hours of playtime. That's perfect for people constantly on the move, students, commuters, or anyone who just hates charging things every day. For cars, the built-in microphone with noise suppression does a solid job. Your voice stays clear during meetings or phone calls, even in a slight noisy environment. It's ideal for work calls, online classes, or chatting on the go. And that wraps up our look at the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones. Honestly, these headphones strike a perfect balance between comfort, quality, and price. You get that classic Sony sound, lightweight design, and an incredible 50 hours battery life, all packed into a stylish on-ear belt that just fits right into your day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.